What's up, everyone? So I got a little chunk of timber to cut now. It was the big one we went after. They only gave us about like 10 acres of it. I don't know. There's some other company that's going after the other stuff. I don't know what that's all about, but so it was kind of a bittersweet moment because I went to go move, and this is the log loader trailer, and I'm not 100% sure how like the air brake situation and all that works, but this valve here's fudged up. We had some crud in this line. There's a screen right here and had some crud, so we took this apart and then ended up screwing this fitting up. I had to go get new fittings, cleaned the screen out, did all that deal. There was some crud in the line, we cleaned that out, worked fine. Air's making it through, but there's something screwing up in this valve. It's locking the wheels on. It's not, usually you put the air to it, from what I understand, the air comes to it, builds the pressure, and it pulls the brakes off. And then when you apply the brake pressure, it's something, I don't know how all that works. I'd be lying to you if I was telling you how it worked, or telling you how, if I knew how it worked. So I don't know if I can put you somewhere that you can watch or not. I don't know if you can see anything or not. Can you see? Hopefully you can see for a minute. But I have to take all this apart and go get a new one. Long story short, nothing got moved. Doesn't look like probably anything much will get moved today either by the time I get done with this. It's just kind of how the luck thing's been going. Ooh, there's a lot of crud on some of these. And I got antifreeze. You know, we thought some stuff was froze up in there, so we put the airline antifreeze to it. I mean, I got it coming out everywhere. And the thing is, the air's making it through this valve to lock the brakes up, but something in this valve is not doing its job to release them again. So something's hung up in there. So, because there's a couple people, oh, your brakes are just froze, and I don't know a lot about this stuff. I'd be lying to you if I told you I knew anything about it, really. All I know is it ain't working. Wow. Ooh, see, I need that. We can't lose that. That little support collar thing, that's got to go back in there. You need those, or else when you put the compression thing down, it will crush the nylon or plastic or whatever the heck this is. I gotta get under here and spray this out. This is dirty. Hey, that one come out. Okay. I'm not sure where to go to get one of these. Let's see if there's a part number on it. When I get them apart. I was hoping to do a great video about all moving and exciting and all that. I should have known better than to have a moment of happiness about something. Because the second you think something's going good, life has a way of letting you know that it's just not. Life's been funny lately. And not ha-ha funny. You catch my drift? Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come down out of there. The collar. I dropped the collar. Crap. got it. I don't know if I'm probably gonna have to reuse all these fittings in here because better buy all new, but I'll probably just reuse these. Money's tight to say the least. Is it boring yet? Am I boring you? Sorry if I am. Another collar. Put that back in. I think there's a line on this. Oh Jesus. That some baby looks tight. Ooh. Ouch. Alright, hey. I'm gonna go for a little while until I get this off. Alright, I got the thing out. It's dirty. There's brake antifreeze come out of it everywhere, so I mean I know the antifreeze got into there. I'm gonna look and see. There should be a tag on it somewhere, I'm told. Do I have something to scrape it with? A screwdriver. Let's see if I can find an identification on you. Yeah, it ain't gonna run. Oh, there's the tag. Found a tag. Okay. Cool. Let's clean this side off. Make sure there ain't nothing over here. There's a number there too. So there it is. There's an REO 45. There's a number there too. So off to the parts store I go. Yep. Probably not the smartest thing, me working on this kind of stuff by myself, because I don't really know what I'm doing. But heck with it, man. Ship sinking. Might as well take it down in style, huh? Well, there's the valve. I've switched all the fittings. Sorry I'm shaking, my hands are cold. Yeah, that's the new one, or recommand one. So we'll crawl underneath and put it in. Give me a minute. Oh, here it is. It's finally on the move. The valve's in. seems like it's working okay. Obviously the machine's rolling. I was gonna do a video putting it back in, but I got some bad news of a friend that passed away. So I'm really not feeling the video thing, but I wanted to let you guys know at least we're moving. And it's gonna be late night. I gotta try to coax them into moving the dozer yet too. I don't know if they're gonna want to or not. So, all right, talk to you later. Thanks for watching.